Every summer, every winter, or every season, I'll be missing her. No matter how much time goes by, my love for her will never die.
Hello there, it's Sanu, your IKEA enthusiast back again. Nice to meet you all. IKEA has launched many items this December, so I'll be introducing them today. I'll start with the ones that are likely to become popular and sell out quickly. Also, it's the winter sale season now. IKEA room sets are so fun to explore. Even checking inside the cabinets can give you great ideas. I'll add some comments as we look through the displays. So please enjoy this virtual shopping experience with me. Let's start here. This drawer is neatly divided with boxes and it holds plastic plates. They've stored these at a low height, so kids can easily reach them. Now moving on to new kitchen items. First up is this water bottle. It's part of a limited collection inspired by the new year. The size is just right, isn't it? It also has a loop on the lid, so you won't accidentally drop it. Since it's a limited collection, it's perfect if you want something unique. Please note that this item is hand wash only. Next is the FRÖJDA collection. This mini disco ball has been selling out fast. The glasses in this series are also gorgeous. Where else but IKEA could you find such elegance at this price point? I've added more items from this collection to my cart, which I'll show later. Don't these glamorous table settings look stunning? And here's something I couldn't resist, paper napkins from the FRÖJDA collection. The intricate pattern makes them suitable for elegant occasions as well. Now here's a new item I was determined to buy. These glasses are absolutely adorable, right? I had already decided to buy them, but when I picked one up, I was shocked. It's so lightweight. These glasses are stackable in design. Even though they're made of glass, they're surprisingly light. I'll share more about how they perform later, but let me first introduce something else I bought. From the MÄVINN collection, which features handmade items, new pieces have been added. There's a brown vase, a shallow basket with yellow accents, sold in sets of 2, and 2 new sizes of the lampshades displayed above. I purchased the basket you see below. It's available in 2 sizes. Here's an IKEA classic moment. You see something in the stores, think you understand the size, and buy it, only to realize at home that it's way bigger than expected. I specifically chose the larger size this time because I had a purpose in mind for it. But still, it's huge. The material is jute, but it doesn't have that overpowering smell that jute often has. The odor is mild and not unbearable. I wanted a completely opaque basket, so I went for this one. The decorative edge is such a cute touch, isn't it? But here's the issue. It doesn't stand on its own. When I looked at the smaller version in the store, it seemed to hold its shape, maybe because of its contents. For a moment, I considered returning it, but I decided to see if adding a cushion will help. With the cushion inside, it maintains its shape quite well. If you don't use it often, you can fold it up for storage, which is actually a plus. The design is adorable, and I think it'll look even better once the fold marks smooth out. The fine weave gives it a neat handmade look. I had planned to use it as a plant pot cover, which is why I chose a large, deep one. Unfortunately, the lack of structure made that difficult. For now, I'm using it in my child's room to store cushions that are only used when friends come over. It would have been perfect for a plant though. Such a shame. let's take a closer look at this glass. This is suitable for both hot and cold drinks, and dishwasher safe. This sticker comes off cleanly, which is always a bonus. In my previous video, many of you gave great feedback. Thank you! I've arranged this new glass on a moss landa shelf with other glassware. These IKEA glasses are some of my favorites. Every time I pick one up, I'm amazed at how light it feels. Compared to the IKEA 365 glass, this is noticeably lighter. The glass is visibly thinner, though the handle's thickness is about the same. For a snack break, I poured some cocoa into the new glass. This tray is from the FRÖJDA collection. The handle detail adds a cute accent. Durability is the only thing I'll need to test over time, but I'm excited to use this glass at all.
軽いでしょ。熱いから気をつけて。ココアだよ。
Even my child was amazed, saying, "Wow, it's so light." Let's return to the store to explore more new items. At the store, I found a new oil bottle. The main body is made of glass, while the lid is made of polypropylene. It's also dishwasher safe. I was impressed with the large handle, which makes it easy to hold. The lid stays securely in place, and the price? That's incredibly affordable. I have noticed that sesame oil can sometimes pour out too quickly, so I am considering transferring it into this bottle to control the amount better. The only hesitation I have is the effort of transferring the oil itself. But for price, it's worth thinking about. If you look closely, you'll see the spout is lined with stainless steel. I assume this is to prevent corrosion and ensure a smoother flow of liquid. Just my guess. Now let's move to the fabric section. This season, a lot of items are available in the sage green color, a grayish-green shade that feels very calming. These cushion covers are priced under $8, which is fantastic. There's also a monochrome version with similar motifs. Actually, it's turned out to be a complete color variation. The sage green and monochrome cushion covers are often paired together in displays, and they look so stylish. When I shared this green color on my Instagram stories, the response was amazing. It's such a cute shade, don't you think? Next, let's take a quick look at the blanket section. Since it's sale season, seasonal items are often discounted. Keep an eye out for deals. This blanket was on sale and is available at the same price online. This season also features a lot of dark yellow items. These pieces have a bit of a country-style motif, and many have been around since October. For example, here's a duvet cover in dark yellow. It's paired with orange accents for a cozy look. Duvet covers often go on sale, so it's fun to check for discounts like this. Let's look at one of the room setup from IKEA, Japan. This setup has a chic and serene vibe. It features furniture from the Tonstad series, which uses veneer and is on the pricier side, which uses veneer and is on the pricier side. The standout feature of this room is the partition that creates a cozy nook. It's designed to be a quiet reading space. Such a neat idea. The decor has a slight Japanese touch, which makes it even more interesting. IKEA has many different partitions. The one in this room is the largest size, but there are shorter versions as well. They are perfect for creating a background for remote work meeting. Now let's look at something super popular, a RISÖR top basket. A new pink version has been released. I remember pink being available before. I'm not sure if this is a different shade or just a re-release. Moving on to another room setup. This one features a large kitchen. Take a look at the counter. It has a 11 monitor stand. Using it in the kitchen has become quite popular. It's convenient for storing small items in the drawers, and I also use it in my kitchen. It pairs well with the white theme of the kitchen. As I mentioned earlier, it's always worth opening the drawers to see how inserts and dividers are used. However, keep in mind that IKEA kitchen accessories are designed to fit IKEA kitchens perfectly, so sizing might be an issue. This dining chair is part of a new series I purchased. It's slightly higher than typical chairs. The table is from the same series, and having matching furniture creates a cohesive look. This series also includes a sofa, which is very popular right now. It's a bit pricey compared to others though. Next, let's talk about trash can. This new pedal can features a soft close lid. Isn't that great? It's also surprisingly affordable. The inner bin can be removed, making it easy to clean. The minimalist design and functionality are impressive for the price. Truly IKEA quality. The non-slip feature isn't as strong as I had hoped, but it's still functional. I tested it again, and I love it. Now, let me quickly introduce another popular trash can. This mini push-style trash can. It's oval-shaped, which is more space-efficient than a cylindrical design. The inner bin is removable, and it can also be wall-mounted. There's also a long-standing favorite series that comes in black and beige. The beige is especially lovely, and you can coordinate it with matching soap dispensers and toilet brushes. This video is getting long, but I wanted to show you one last item since it might sell out soon. It's a light from the FRÖJDA collection, and it exceeded my expectations. If you are considering it, I urge you to get it now. But don't forget to watch this video first. There was a small stain on mine, but I decided to keep it. And try cleaning it because it's just that beautiful. The frosted glass has an amazing texture, and the black part is made of steel, adding to it premium feel. It's battery powered and uses rechargeable batteries. The switch is touch sensitive, so it might take some getting used to. This portable design is incredibly versatile. It's also IP44 rated, meaning it's water resistant and can be used outdoors. The modern design is simply stunning. To charge it, you can connect a Type-C cable directly without removing the batteries. Since it's a limited collection and stock seems low, don't wait too long if you're interested. Lastly, there's a highly popular IKEA product that's finally available in Japan. I'll share more about it in my next video. Thank you so much for watching until the end. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.